want to tell you, say, this way, did this way, it have to reach back this way, you see me? I remember say we are business people, you know. We have to just do the right thing, you see it?
Yeah, it is right. So I going to school over butcher side when that try.
Yeah, man, it a go on good, you know. And it is still a run after program, they still, you know. And you see, through, them did start off with 3, and then now them have about 22. So I have an idea, you know, say it a go on good.
22 students, good brother. It is a do a good job, man.
Yeah, man, him a man the type good, man. Him a do more than that, too. Like, come like he want to teachers pet again.
Yes, man. Find another one over there.
Yeah, man. I want to tell you, say, come like if a man spend one more day over there and turn teacher, too. Because my circle over there in a year, man, depend hello, miss. What is happening today? What are the students doing?
Man just a help out, brother. Sports man just want to become a dean of discipline.
I want to tell you, say, to the fit him still in your brother. Hey, whisper. Remember some of the things that we got through, brother? Can't forget where you come from, you know.
And I think you're gonna need a bag to put that in.
Vicious, where are they?
Oh, not in it. I want going so.
I that if you focus on the vicious.
So you talk so loud. Alright, that's me there. No way you're doing a bad man.
Vicious. You know I think I rate you, brother. I respect your venom, brother. I just want you to start move focus you.
Focus on destruction. Focus on to bust out all with enemy head them.
Come on, about this man deal with the hard place.
Brother,
Yo,
talk to that you. Come in here, man. Yo, we are no, man. We are no, man.
Brother, you'd have to come call up my name. You'd have to tell it is that.
What you mean? We come save you over that in you. And you go back over there by yourself.
Man, a week's now squad the same I go deal with it. And if me, then jump go deal with it, that wouldn't deal with bad man. Yeah, man, a show man, butcher, you have to run with some little boy and then come around with the nonsense tune them, brother. As a matter of fact, here we go on, we are going to run off the studio. I ain't the tune of voice in this, we first. Remember me tell you that.
Hold on. Now you start off as a bad man. Then you turn a bar tough. Then you turn a businessman. You can DJ too.
Bro, talk lyrics, man. To all life, stay, me no want me life, it go, me want me life, you know, me want me life, you know, stay, me no want me life, it go, want me kids, you know, want me wife, you know, stay, me no want me life, it go, want me kids, you know. Distraction, you call me out.
See, if you upset the balance, me I go pray like the enemy. So you decide.
So where I come from to where we there now, big changes, you know.
Remember like yesterday, brother. You know what I said, this proves a good friend better than pocket man.
No joke, man. There's some things that we go through, and never real friendship. Nothing but me tell you, would even a deal right now, you see me?
Respect the fact that you hold on in the community, brother, and inspire others, you see me? So the youth them can grow up and look up to me, you see it?
And I want to tell you too, we did have plan some little fun day thing for youth them, you know. We just invite some other community to come together and we just keep a little thing. You can buy up some juice, cook some food. Which of the even say to see him, you know?
No, that makes sense, brother. Everybody are going to get involved. We endorse that 100%.
Right, me did I tell Butcher still. So if you just kick it off like a sports day thing, you know? But he make me know say him not think so because some of you them can't take losses, you know? And other community against other community might kick off some little violence and everything there, you know?
You know, I kind of agree with him. Yeah, we could pray the youth them creatively. It's where them good at. We just work with that. Let them carry it come on display.
No, that's what I say the way there. You know, so I feel like I can work with it. Yo, Whisper. You know, say Butcher and show me a vibe. And show me say some people say it is over 21 of the year. Now, when you know I run the program, feel like that we start that vibe.
You must say it too, you know. I don't want to concern. But you, I keep your eye on it.
I remember saying, even though Teflon are on the ground, you know, if we draw out nobody feeling, I start a vibe, you know.
Yeah. I look into it now, brother.
Yeah, girl. Eh? So Teflon never know about this? Me know say 13 and 21 I go in a war again. Peer pressure, pain. Girl, me not come back over there so come do my ear, you know. Cause me not in the bag of and the option and the eruption and the round this so me girl, me not have time for that. So I really program them to run up there. Me think him a madman. Girl, when reach out me talk.
You hear that?
You, man. Just link and find out what you're talking about. I like how it sounds, brother.
Alright, I'll chat to you.
Alright, now I come, see?
Do it in father.
You know, I never remember your name.
Nettie.
Alright, Nettie, we see you another time, eh?
Alright. I want.
I need to talk to you about something. Something very important.
What's that?
You're still linked with over 21.